Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I shall be talking on maintenance of weight after weight loss. How do you maintain your body weight, the new body weight? In simple words, maintenance after weight loss is a gradual process of mindful eating, having the right mindset over a long period of time, which finally becomes a habit. But there is a challenge. The challenge is a lot of people face maintaining the new look, the new feel, the new charisma, the new shape, and before you know what is happening, they are back to ground zero because they don't know how to maintain the new you, the new person in which they have become. But then I'm here to give a good news. It's possible to maintain that new you. It's possible to maintain that new shape, that new charisma, that new person you've become after the weight loss. And the only thing needed is consistency. Are you consistent? Or do you feel that, those things I usually do in the past, you are missing something? Okay, I feel like having this. Okay, since I am having a new shape or that my kg is down, let me just have a little of this and a little of that. If you are such a person, you would always see yourself struggling to maintain your new look. I have a good news for you today, and the good news is it's possible. And how possible is it? Consistency. One, you have to know the right thing to eat. Don't starve. Some people begin to starve. Say, I don't want to eat rice. I don't want to have gari. I don't want to eat this. I don't want to eat that. So, since there is nothing to eat, let me starve. No. The truth is, when you begin to starve, the body begins to crave for those things you've left in the past. And before you know it, you find yourself going back to those things you said you do not want to eat. Secondly, knowing what to eat. Now you have achieved your goal of losing those excess kgs. You have to know what to eat. Knowing the right food combination. Yes, why did I say so? You need to combine the right amount of foods, different classes of foods, so as not to become malnourished, in the process paving way for various illness and diseases. And then knowing what portion of food to eat at a particular time. When you have your new look, that time you're looking good, you're looking healthy, you're looking new, you're happy with your new shape, you have to know what portion of food you would consume at a particular point in time. A lot of people end up starving themselves just to maintain the weight. No, it's not the right way. But guess what? They end up adding more weight than they have previously lost. Some engage in low carb binge eating disorder. That means you keep eating because it's low carbs, you keep consuming them, and before gradually, you find yourself having that particular kg or more that you've lost. To maintain a healthy weight loss, A particular time should be set for eating. A particular time should be set for eating. To maintain a healthy weight loss, a particular time has to be set for eating. For example, if you have your breakfast by 7, your lunch should be by 2 and your dinner by 7. Now, our bodies are programmed in a way that, however, you want your body to function, that is the way it's going to operate. If you are the kind that always have your food 7 a.m. in the morning, by that, as soon as it is 7 a.m., the body begins to crave for food. As soon as it is 2 p.m. in the afternoon, the body begins to crave for food. And you have to have the right kind of food so that you don't get into the problem of eating what you are not supposed to eat. There are a number of healthy foods that we can eat, ranging from carbs, legumes, pulses, vegetables, fruits, nuts. You can have your smoothies, your juice, your salad. These all play a role in maintaining your weight loss. Knowing the right food combination, you can combine 2 to 3 groups of food. It's a science and it's an art as well. So when you do the right combination that is needed for proper functioning of the body, that is, you want the body to get all the nutrients it needs for proper functioning. Knowing the right portion of food to eat, that is where portion size comes in. What portion of food am I to consume? Every individual requires a particular recommended calorie intake. That means every individual, depending on your physical activity, there is a particular caloric allowance that you need to maintain that new you, that new person you have become after the weight loss. With this, I believe that I have been able to pass across some knowledge to you about maintenance. This is the part 1. In my next video, I will be dealing on the part 2. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so as not to miss out from my weekly videos. Thank you very much. Bye.